Yeah, brother.
Oh, guys.
Oh, yeah, brother.
Brother.
What else did he say?
Where's the lighter? Do I have it?
It's like, you, brother, snap into a Slim Jim. Snap into a Slim Jim. Brother.
He like gets like he gets her body and she's like giving him head and snaps her fucking neck.
Think about snake loose.
Brother. It's like brother WWF.
But what else did he say before that?
He's, I don't know, he's like, oh, brother.
Remember Macho Man?
He's like, oh, yeah, brother. Oh, yeah. Into a Slim Jim. Oh, yeah, brother. He always had like these huge fucking glasses on. He's like fucking super like laced on fucking coke and shit. Like, oh, yeah, brother. Oh. He has no eyes. He has like 2 pirate patches. He's like, oh yeah, brother. He's like, I can't see, brother. They just told me to say this every day. He's like, bitch, I work on disability. Oh yeah, brother.
What are you talking about?
He's like, I get the handicap side, but it don't work, bitch, because I crash all the fucking time.
Brother.
He's like, brother. Oh, yeah. He's like, oh, I'm getting my dick sucked right now by a prostitute, brother.
What are you talking